Welcome back to another Mr. Miller video. Just finishing up trading here. We're up about 25 bucks on the day. Down on Best Buy about 45, up on NIO about 65. Small profit, but still a gain for the day. We're up about 600 or 700 bucks this week alone. Trading's been awesome, and I just wanted to show you the screen again. I don't get to use it that much because I'm always working, but it was nice to have the day off. Coming into Thanksgiving and be able to trade from home on the big monitor and just kind of hang out, listen to music, do some live trading, and use this big screen so you can see, multiple different stocks at one time. Makes it a lot easier than flipping back and forth. But today's mostly just going to be a vlog. I'm headed to Kentucky at about 7 p.m. tonight to visit my parents for Thanksgiving.
Please wait. Take the ticket. Welcome.
What's going on, guys? It's been an awesome Monday. Regardless that the market was down, I was able to find a couple positions, one in Spotify and one in UPS. It was a little bit rocky. Almost got stopped out a couple times, but all in all, it was a pretty good day. I definitely could have made a lot more if I held on to Spotify. I sold it when it was up about $7 today, and it closed up like 13. So I definitely could have made a lot more today, but making improvements. Getting a little bit aggressive even on a down day like today. I had 3 calls on UPS and then sold them as it went up. Sold my Spotify and just holding one UPS contract going into tomorrow because, like I said, I try not to hold anything overnight unless I absolutely have to, or I'm up substantially, or say I have like 10 calls and I sell 3/4 of them, then I may hold it overnight if it looks good. But we're up 340 bucks on the day, pretty good for a Monday. So just, obviously it's kind of getting kind of chilly down here in Pensacola, but my foot's feeling pretty good, so I'm going to go out for a run, then I'm going to jump over to my laptop, and we're going to get into today's trades. Another Mr. Miller video. What I want to talk about today are my 2 trades, one on UPS, one on Spotify. If you don't know the ticker symbols, Spotify is SPOT. Go ahead and bring it up on the chart here. Nice setup that I was looking at yesterday on Spotify. It was kind of hectic today with the market being down so much, and it didn't really give me indication of which direction it was going to go until a couple hours into the market, because I almost got stopped out. What I was looking for was this break above the EMAs, and I ended up getting on this candle. Immediately got a red candle after it, right down back to where I bought it at, and ended up staying above it. And luckily, I was looking, my stop was, a little bit down here below the moving averages, and it got really close to closing down here, and it never did, luckily. And I wrote it up, and it was up about $7 on the day and sold it. It was a really good trade. Unfortunately, it went up another $6 or $7 after I sold it, so I could have made a lot more money, but I need to work on my exit strategy because I definitely could have held this on later into the day and made a lot more money. My other trade was UPS. I also only had one contract on Spotify, so I definitely didn't want to hold it overnight, but I needed to hold on to that trade longer. So this is my trade on UPS I got into today. I bought 2 calls this morning when it tried to take off. It pulled back. Ended up staying in it because I wasn't really down that much, and I kind of wanted to swing trade this more than day trade it based on the 3-month graph. If you want to look here, we got a nice 2-day pullback into the 9-period EMA, and that bounce day is what I was looking for. So I really wanted to swing trade this up to the 173 range, so I wasn't really too worried about it fluctuating too much during the day, as long as it didn't tank on me. But we ended up staying, like I said, pretty crazy the first couple of hours of trading, and then finally it started to steady out and take off. When it started to go sideways here, I sold 2 of my 3 calls. Made out pretty well with those 2, and I'm still holding one. I plan on getting rid of it tomorrow, depending on how much it's up. Right now it's doing pretty well after hours, but who knows what the pre-market is going to do tomorrow. And right now the futures are up 139 points. Hopefully it stays that way. Appreciate you joining us. That's my trade recap on Spotify and UPS.